The NMM extension identifies a Nexus Mod Manager backup file containing saved mod configurations and installation state data from the Nexus Mod Manager application. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you restore, manage, or troubleshoot these mod backup files. We're tackling this NMM file systematically, and I've reserved the most powerful data extraction technique for the end, just in case. NMM files are backup archives from Nexus Mod Manager, a game mod management application for Nexus Mods. They contain mod installation states, load order configurations, profile data, and mod list snapshots for restoring modded game setups after reinstallation or system changes. Nexus Mod Manager NMM files use a compressed archive format, packaging mod, registry data load, order lists, installation records, and profile configurations. They capture the complete mod management state for a specific game profile at the time of backup creation. The native handler for NMM files is usually Nexus Mod Manager from Nexus Mods. The operating system generally only reads the file's header information, not its full content. Windows provides no access to embedded file lists, so browsing requires specialized backup tools. To guarantee the file opens, right-click your NMM file and select Open With. Check for Nexus Mod Manager first. If it is absent, select another program. A systematic check of installed tools is vital. The file is winning so far. Time to fight back. Let's quickly run through a series of focus tests on these common NMM failure areas. First, restoring the backup. Open Nexus Mod Manager, or its successor Vortex, and navigate to the Backup or Import Settings section. Browse to the NMM file and select it to restore your previous mod configuration. The manager reinstalls and configures mods according to the saved state. Next, migrating to Vortex. Nexus Mod Manager has been replaced by Vortex. Install Vortex from nexusmods.com and use its import feature to migrate NMM data. Vortex reads NMM configuration files and attempts to recreate your mod setup in the modern manager with improved conflict resolution. Finally, backing up mod setups. Before major changes to your modded game, create NMM backups through the manager's export or backup function. Store backup files alongside notes about which game version and mod versions were active. This enables reliable restoration of working mod configurations. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Instead of relying on a label that might be incorrect, you can use a tool that employs smart recognition to try and find a match based on the actual data inside. When specialized tools failed on your file, the problem demands a universal decoding ability. FileMagick provides that, handling hundreds of formats where others give up. Go to filemagick.com for the program. Tell me the status of your file in the comments. Hit the subscription button if you want faster solutions in the future.